In this video, I'll be going over how to multiply integers. When multiplying integers, depending on if the integer is negative or positive, the outcome will be different. If the multiplication involves one negative integer, then the answer will be negative. If the multiplication involves two negative numbers, then the answer will be positive. Below are 4 examples, and we'll be going over each one of them. For the first example, we have 7 times negative 5. So we can see the negative here. If we were to multiply 7 by 5, we would have 35. Now since this is a negative number, so one negative number in the multiplication means that the answer will be negative. So the answer will be changed to negative 35. And you can think of it like this. If you have a positive multiplying by a negative, the answer will be negative. Vice versa, if you have a negative number times by a positive number, the outcome will be negative as well. For the second example, we have negative 12 times by negative 10. So this example, we have two negatives. Two negative integers multiplying each other will result in a positive integer. So negative 12 times negative 10, we can take the 12 times the 10, and that will give us 120. Now since there's two negatives, then the outcome is positive. So 120 would be the answer. And you can think of it like this. Negative times negative equals positive. So when you have a negative sign multiplying by a negative sign, it will convert to a positive. And that's really the only time when negative will become positive, if there's a negative integer times by a negative integer. Now for the third example, negative 8 times 9. We have only one negative, so we know the outcome will be negative. And then we have 8 times 9. And 8 times 9 is 72. And one negative means that this answer will be negative 72. Now for the fourth example, we have 22 times negative 2. Again, only one negative, so we can place a negative first. Then we take the 22 times the 2. That gives us 44. And so the answer is negative 44. So these are 4 examples of how you would multiply integers. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.